Watcha! Lumay! Buffalo! Musamaso! Never lose a boy! Never fight! Never lose a boy! Never fight! Never lose a boy! This is Manuel.
1, 2, 3. Hey, another one. 1, 2, 3. Say SV Squad. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
SV Squad!
Yeah.
Giờ mày sẽ mấy bạn cho đi và put ở đây after đây đi đây nè mày cầm mà đi đâu đi mày put ya
mà đủ quá
nè là sẽ mình sẽ ai xin à để cậu aku mẹ đây lại anh kêu cô mang ngon mẹ chỉ để cậu có vai bên sai này sorry. Kalau mana yung makuk. You have the boys. You have the boys, guys. Boys from Samoa. Ya, saya faham kamai ko hui masuk ngira kenge ko hui. Tua vai me la su. Su kenge. Ko nga. Nah, so kung nga iya ko ngay makok
mà anh giờ
sekin makok ulo.
Kenapa pun?
Ini ko.
Skin parang
Yo, wow, close le mola le. Nggak ada feel what ini phải. Ya, may kamay tawa. Video lagi makan-makan di YouTube. Tuh. Aku. Game aku. Ya, ini rumah ini tahu. Ini makan kau mah tahu. Kamu makan keluar ni. Aku. Aku ni fasawar ni. Ya, vai mera o mai kam. Lea lungo tawa. Ken lea lo makua mako ingayen mai.
Mai pergi ke making ya.
Sudah kengena lo kamu ngapore. Kau maru keren mai ere ngat po. Maru. Mandili apa kamu? Vai wa puru perang kekek apa?
Guys, we're here at the game now. Samoa versus Brumbies. And Aussie's over there with his Samoan flag. I missed the bloody haka. Sorry if I keep looking there. It's a new camera. Aussie, the only one with his flag. He's so diehard. And the only one shouting like at the top of his lungs. Evan just found a wallet. Look at that.
Big leader.
Yep, spot the Kino. I've been so sick lately, guys. I've actually got a voice now and I'm getting better. Yep, they're cooling, Aussie.
Kulay. Makaya tes. Kay makaya.
What's funny? Oh, there. That guy's staying with Lesse. And that's...
Makaya.
The Netherlands.
Makaya kiniya.
Well, then save it. Yeah, just save it. There, just save it. Aussie, how do you feel about your voice? Just Oh. No one is cheering and only Aussie is like, it's not at the good part yet. This is just the beginning.
Mario! 22, 22, 22. Mario, oi, oi! Mario! Damn. They're gonna run. Vamos ser vai, Quero, mano.
Hey.
Aí, olha. Mara singa fo. Mara singa.
Wow, just blocked away.
Tony, Maria. Sapo runga.
So calm down, Jay.
Holy! Vào ha.
Yes. That was fun, wasn't it? Oh my goodness. They just scored, guys. Chihu. Guys, the score is 19-19. It is the last 12 minutes. This is such a tough round. Who will win? Huh? Yes! Where the hell's the ref? Well, seriously! About time. Hey, guy, you're not for this, eh? I'm holding up, but I cuckoo. They just scored! Come on, just hold it off for a minute, guys. 1 minute, get out. 39 seconds. Find it, girl. Guys, they just knocked the ball on, so the game is over. We won! The score is 24-19. Seriously, also, you should go with the bloody camera. Molly, did you just get here? Hey, Molly girl. Where were you?
We were the cheerleaders.
I didn't hear no one.
Oh, we were like,
Oh my gosh, Lovey! We're vlogging.
yeah, find my so tala le SV squad. It's so talonga. Shout out to who?
Shout out to the campers, supporters.
Woo!
Tay two of us me ma tau.
Yeah. Yeah, tak mai lo inoa.
Rồi ngó phá nu ya. Yo me sa vai sai pepe ya.
Yo ro mo ya. Ya ngafa Matthew o ke 5.
Oi, sorry. Ya ka fai me 5 me.
Ya kwa SAMOA mo ko painga.
Ya, malo lava.
Oh, ya vi ngari.
Say SV Squad.
O ai lo swafa.
My name is Edigo. So
It's my fair.
Vitali and Mota. Shout out to my family in Samoa, also the supporters here. Thank you.
Yeah.
This is East Timor. East Timor. All the way from San Wapata.
Let's go.
But he scored a try today.
Yeah.
Really, really good. So is everyone else, but it's been a great day for Fataya.
Ay ay.
Salo fata.
Yeah. Any shout out, shout out.
Shout out to everybody at home. Thanks for the support. Well, it's a pleasure and it's an honor to be here today.
Oh.
We could have done it without you guys. Thank you so much.
Amen. Woo! Talo falava, oelo swafa, talo swafa, le nu utsa mayai. Yeah. My lele. Who you want to shout out to?
Shout out to family back home and yeah.
Yeah, I had a camera que ole tu atu.
Camera girl.
Sawa say po eso wakai from Tequila. From Kikinye.
Yeah, shout out to them. Yeah.
Shout out to Sam.
Shout out to Samco as well, supporting me all the way. Yeah.
The only Samoa College kid that's in the team. He's been playing, I don't know. It was so great to actually have him as number 10 because today I don't think he was meant to be playing today, right? But he gave it his all, representing the colors of tan and gold. It was so beautiful. It makes me so proud being a deputy head girl of the school for many years back and have him here today is an honor.
Amen. Shout out to the SB squad. Yeah, okay. Hey girl, why you looking so cute? Oi, sorry, yeah, vai fi princess lady. Woo!
Let's go, Brumbies!
Shout out to the SB squad vlog. Yeah.
Are you new vlog? Are you taking over?
Nah. I'm helping out, girl.
So as you can see here, we just finished our under 18s from Samoa. I see me.
Buffalo! Busamaso! Kila yai! Agora! Leva no Samoa! Leva foi, leva no Samoa! Leva foi, leva no Samoa! Negocia! Esse manuletro! Posso mesmo liberar! Por mano se wato! Leva tá para sosos! Leva leva vamos! Leva Samoa! Leva Samoa! Manu!
Hey, Gecko!
No, it's Catboy.
I know. Hey, Gecko!
Are you Gecko?
No, Catboy.
He's had enough of me. He's so sick of me. Hi, Gek. Hi, Owlet. Okay, you're Catboy. Aussie, how did you feel about that?
Yeah, it's so amazing and good.
Did you feel something here?
Yeah, I feel because I'm a Samoan, I feel it.
I watch your vlog.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Ow! Hi! Hello!
Oh.
Got anything to say, V? Nothing much. Aso?
Shout out to the Samoan team.
Hey, A squad.
A squad?
What?
Oh yeah.
Who's the A squad? It's me.
Obviously it's us all.
Hey girl!
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
All right. Hey, hang on, hold. Sorry, drop. See here. I want you to, you two here. Okay. You go on the other side. Hang on. Come in the middle, Siaosi. Okay, we got coaches and that. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Say the manu. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Manu. Hey. Another one. 1, 2, 3. Say SV squad. Okay. Ready? Ready? Everyone. SV squad. And then manu. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
That was so funny, guys. Oh. Yeah. Alright. Sick. I was talking for like 5 minutes and it was not even recording, I just realized. As you can probably tell or notice, if you can't then whatever. But we have a new camera, courtesy of Molly and myself. But mostly Molly. She bought us this camera and she promised us that she would buy us this camera when we reached 10,000. We are almost at 50,000 and we just got our camera. But nevertheless, thank you, Molly. We really appreciate it. Aussie stayed back to bring the boys after the little lunch that the school was holding for them. He went and cut their hairs for them. Took them to cut their hairs, and I just heard the garage door opening now, so they're here. But I've just been sitting here. I'm about to edit a vlog, and I think one of the boys are coming here to get ready. I've just been sitting here. I'm about to edit a vlog. I think they've got like a function thing tonight, and this guy's gonna get ready here. Got Georgie boy. Good morning, guys. We had Ossie's friend sleep with us last night. He used to live across the street from him in Waikele, and so he stayed with us last night. So I woke up early to make him breakfast. I got these snacks for Wafa. 2 whole eggs, juice, some toast, bacon and eggs. Thank you so much for watching this vlog and coming along with us. Massive shout out to my sister girl Molly again for this camera. Big shout out to Whanu and Ngafa. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up so we know that you guys like it. Comment down below, timestamps, favorite part. We'll see you guys next time. SV Squad signing out.